Last week I was going through a load of my old newspaper articles. I did find this all about the German boat that sank in 1878, and we looked at the monument previously. And I can see it over there just through the gravestones. And there on the side is the drapery that I remember and gold lettering commemorating the May the 31st, 1878 with SMS Great Elector, lost comrades the German Navy. A faraway memorial to a German tragedy here. The Grosser Kurfürst was rammed by its colleague, the König Wilhelm, and it started to list. It sank in less than 10 minutes. That's nothing, is it? And bodies washed ashore for many weeks. The monument was vandalised during both world wars. He's got his own Wikipedia page. Let's have a look at that. So that is the ship. The three ships encountered a group of fishing boats under sail. In turning to avoid them, Grosser Kurfürst inadvertently crossed König Wilhelm's path and was rammed. So, there's the Prussian there, König Wilhelm going there, and then the Kurfürst went right in front of it like that. That's the sinking there. This says between 269 and 284 of her crew drowned. Well, this article says that there were 200 sailors, it's two here. Illustrating the memorial in Folkestone. We've seen the real one, haven't we? But that's an engraving of it. It was constructed in Germany. Let's look at the British newspaper archive, right? Because that must have something in it. The divers went down yesterday morning but was unable to find any bodies. What a grim task, isn't it, going down to find bodies in there. The body of Count Loverin, the commander Grosser Kurfürst, was brought into Folkestone yesterday from the wreck of the vessel. June 1878, the last of the public funerals of those drowned in the Grosser Kurfürst took place on Sunday. The corporation protested against the repeated public funerals, and the Admiralty have ordered their discontinuance. 31 bodies in all have now been recovered from the wreck, it says. What I'm really interested in is the people on board the ship is what I'm really interested in, and to see if we can find a list of the people. This is an article on coastalheritage.org.uk. There's an illustration there of the tragedy. Look at that. Oh, look! These are the people. This is a list of all the people. These are their titles, isn't it? I don't know what these are. My German is terrible. Fuhrwerker, Oberbootsmannsmat, and I don't know what all these titles are. To stop the dead bodies from being washed up on the beaches, a number of nets was put on the wreck to keep the dead in the vessel, and the area was a dumping ground for clinker. Could there be anybody in Ancestry? If I put in under an Ancestry search of Folkestone, Kent, and I put in death, 1878, and I put the ship in, Grosser Kurfürst. Oh, look, there's all these people that are coming up on Find a Grave. So on Find a Grave, they must have listed the people that are here. Herr Christianisen. Is that man listed on here? Christiansen, yeah. Obermatt Christiansen, he's listed there. There is the Friends of Old Folkestone Cemetery. So somebody here must know. Contact us. Here we go. Let's send them a message. Let's send that off and see if that comes up with anything.
You can continue the story with the next edited episode. Or watch the full unedited and uncut version of this episode. Or what about watching this new family history story? Click here to subscribe to the channel to find out about all future episodes. Thanks for watching.